Rare earth shortages are worsening for U.S. aerospace and semiconductor suppliers despite a recent trade truce between Washington and Beijing. In fact, industry sources say, reportedly, supplies remain tight as far as two materials are concerned, with some companies rationing materials and pausing production, reportedly. The material that's used in high-temperature coatings that protect jet engines and turbines. Without these coatings, engines cannot operate safely. Since export controls were introduced by China in April, U.S. access to the material has dropped sharply. Prices have surged about 60% since November and are roughly 69 times higher than a year ago. Two North American coating suppliers have temporarily halted production due to shortages. One company has stopped serving smaller and overseas customers to conserve supply for major engine makers. Another firm in the supply chain reportedly has stopped selling products containing it after running out of the material. Engine production has not yet been directly affected, but concerns are rising as plane makers increase output and airlines seek spare parts. Semiconductor manufacturers are also facing low supplies of scandium. The metal is used in advanced chip production and is critical for components in 5G smartphones and base stations. Global scandium output is only a few dozen tons per year. The U.S. has no domestic production and no active alternative sources outside China. Industry sources say U.S. chip makers have faced delays in securing Chinese export licenses for scandium and have contacted Washington for assistance. Stockpiles are believed to be limited and may last only months. And this issue is expected to feature in the upcoming talks between U.S. President Donald Trump and the Chinese president.